friends, and welcome back to Lumako, the channel that brings you different self-care practices to look after yourself, mind, body and soul. Today we are going to be making my favorite turmeric latte. I only started drinking this maybe 6 months ago. It was introduced to me by a friend, and after tasting it, I absolutely loved it. But I did have a little bit of difficulty finding the best recipe that suited my taste buds. So today I'm going to share my favorite recipe for this beautiful, delicious Ayurvedic drink, and I hope that you like it. So we're going to start off by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And those are your ingredients. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I put the oven on already, and we are going to fill up the pot to about a cup, enough to fill up for about a cup. We're just going to put it on a bit of a high heat to warm up a little bit, and we'll drop the temperature as it starts warming. But I just want to get it to a quick boil. Now I've used regular milk, but you can use almond milk, soy milk, whatever the milk of your choice is too. While that's boiling, we're gonna need a little bit of vanilla essence at the end to flavor. So I'll just keep this out. And turmeric does stain quite a bit, so I recommend keeping a cloth close by or having something just to wipe down your surfaces. Try not to get it on your hands. Or if you're using fresh turmeric, wash your hands immediately. The milk is coming to a nice boil, so I'm going to go ahead and add the turmeric, the ginger, and the cinnamon. Then I'm going to give it a nice little whisk while it's all coming together over there. So each of these ingredients, the turmeric, the cinnamon, and the ginger, have amazing health benefits on its own, and together they combine for a beautiful flavor. Just look at that. So good. I'm just going to take this off the heat for a little bit, and then I'm going to add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It does help to flavor it, and it just is divine. But if you prefer, you can add some honey as well, maybe about a teaspoon if you feel like you need to sweeten it up. And then I'll just put it on here for about another 30 seconds or so, giving it a quick stir. Be careful, the first time I made this, it actually boiled all over and everything was yellow. So just make sure to watch it and don't leave it unattended. Just be careful when you are pouring it into your cup. You can throw it into a jug first if you prefer, or just try not to mess and get it there in one nice movement. That's your turmeric tea. It's a bit hard, but I'm gonna try it. Yes, delicious. If you have any special recipes for your golden latte, I'd love to hear if you add anything other than what I do. Please leave me a suggestion in the comments down below. If you're new to Lumako, remember to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button. And if you click the bell, it'll notify you every time we have a new video coming out. If you found that this video added some value to your life, remember to please click the like button, and see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.